What's up, everybody? Just doing a little repair vid here. Got my trusty iPhone 6s, but the battery is no bueno. So, got this little kit from eBay for about 15-16 bucks. It's a replacement battery. Let's see what's in here. Okay, got instructions. Got a toolkit. Let's see, it's got two different kinds of screwdrivers, some tweezers, guitar pick, a spudger, and a nipple clamp, SIM card tool, everything you need to get your phone apart. $2250 milliamp hours, replacement for 6S. Let's get into it. There's a bunch of screws and most of them are different sizes, right? And it says somewhere in here that if you put the wrong screw in the wrong, in a hole that it didn't come from, you might short circuit your motherboard, the main board, and then you're gonna have a really bad time when you turn your phone on. So to avoid that, kind of drew a little diagram. This is the back side of a big sticker. So it's all just sticky, and I can just put the screws in where I need them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 9 screws. Success.